Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I'm on my way going to visit a Jamaican restaurant in Flatbush, New York. So come along with me.
Sweet and
Media, all your trip, all in one place. Hi, I'm Nika, and today we're at the cover. Oh, he's a magical crayon. Look.
We're right here. Hi. What do you have? Do you have soup? Do you have soup? Chicken foot soup? How much is it? How much is it?
544 today tonight.
May I have a 541, please? Yes, small.
Everything in there?
More soup. So guys, this is the restaurant
Do you
and
mind if I go in the back? Because I don't think I have an exchange.
yes, no problem. Yeah.
What kind of soup you have?
What size do you want?
So,
One small one.
check out the Jamaican dishes, guys.
Yeah.
Vegetable rice.
One person serve on Sheila. That's what
Also have
Yeah, who pay? You know I'm not paying for no shake right?
beef patties, guys.
Jayla, soup, give me a
Oh. Yo, I think you want to have splash soup.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
yes,
vegetable rice. Vegetable rice. What do you?
size?
The small one?
What are you having it with?
Could I just have it like that?
Yes.
Yes. Could I just stop? Thank you. Sorry. Hello.
Hi. I think the weird one that.
You want to see it?
No.
Oh. No more. All right then, yeah.
All right. Bye. Bye.